So we're going to do some early Scarlet Globe and a third line across this bed.
But not preserved. Life is like a garden. How does your garden grow? Perfect moments can be had, like blossoms in the springtime glow, but not preserved. They come and go. How does your garden grow?
There we go. Oh, it's a tiny one.
Is it blessed by the rain? Is it blessed by your hand? How does your garden grow?
There we go. There we go. There's a pretty good one.
It's how big they get?
Yeah, they don't get that big. Here, let's see if we get, from what I remember. Let's see if we got any more.
You get a big French breakfast.
Oh, there. Oh, that one's ugly looking.
It's brown.
There we go.
Is it blessed by the rain? Is it blessed by your hand? How does your garden grow?